Welcome to your dream 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, where luxury and tranquility meet. Nestled in a serene wooded setting, this beautifully updated residence is waiting for you and your family to call it home. Step inside, and you'll discover a world of modern comfort and convenience. The heart of this home is the updated kitchen, a true highlight with its modern appliances, ample cabinet space, and an ideal layout for entertaining family and friends. The main level boasts a spacious living area, complete with a cozy fireplace for those chilly nights. A dining room bathed in natural light awaits your gatherings, illuminated by elegant designer lighting that sets the perfect ambience. As you make your way upstairs, you'll find the primary bedroom, generously sized and featuring a sitting room where you can unwind after a long day. And the spacious walk-in closet ensures you'll have plenty of room for your wardrobe. But the real magic awaits outside. Your private oasis beckons, complete with a fully fenced yard for security and privacy. And when summer comes around, you can dive into the inviting in-ground pool for ultimate relaxation. And let's not forget about location. This home offers a tranquil wooded backdrop, allowing you to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, while still being close to all essential amenities. But you don't want to miss out on this exceptional property. The seller is even offering a generous $10,000 credit to sweeten the deal. So why wait? Schedule your private showing today and make this dream home your forever home. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Welcome to the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome home.